Hello.
Hi, everyone. Now,
Back.
in this video, we will give you a short introduction to the assignments of week 1. But please have a look to the handout, the PDF of the handout, and other resources that are posted in this website, because there you will find a broader explanation about the assignments. And have also a look to the materials that illustrates them, and we hope you get inspired also with it.
Yes. Now we're going to share screen correctly today. Let's see. Yes. Week 1. We're going to start with project 2, and we'll start with gathering data. Oh, yeah. Before we start, we want to that you start with a warm-up exercise. It's about empathizing with the subject, the rising of the sea levels. It's asking questions to yourself and your surrounding to see how far do you live from the rivers or the sea? What is your level of where you live towards the sea level? And in which periods of the year or month are risks of flooding higher? And think about all the factors that can cause risks, that it's flooding, maybe it's rain in your surroundings, or, the place you live, and write them down and compare your answers with other students when you work together. And we have an example. It would be nice if you can make a data visualization about that. This is just an example. Here you see also sea levels matching with where different cities are situated, but it could be also a way that you situate yourself towards the water and the risks. So this is a really nice assignment to get familiar with the subject, and this is just as a warm-up, let's say.
Okay. For the exercise, the warming up exercise, and every assignment, you will find on this handouts, the slides at the end, what is the expected output and where we would like you put the things. The last one, there is special Miro board. The first one of this week is the analysis of the storytelling in Lohausen's book or website. You already got last week some information about it, about the book. Write down all the questions that arise you while you are reading, and find a systematic way to gather the data, the information. Think also about art images, are the combinations of images with quotations.
It's important that when we start gathering data, it's good to have a look at the sources that we gave you from Andy Kirk and Anna Rosling. It's videos that you can watch, and there they explain how you can get data out of text, or how you can use image source as data. And also, if there's videos that you want to analyze from, that we also provide from the exhibition that Lohausen had. In the Andy Kirk movie, there's also a part that you can see how he, for example, gathers data from Seinfeld episodes. The thing for what is interesting is that you have to begin with a question. So read about it, get curious about the content, and ask yourself questions and see if there is a main question or maybe extra questions which can help you gather data.
Yeah, and that's especially according with your interests. So what do you want to explore, and to get some focus?
Yes.
So find your main question. Now, again, here examples. And then going to the second assignment is about organizing the data that you already have collected. The first thing, discuss with your students. Everybody put it on Miro. So discuss
Yes. Yes, it's interesting if you have gathered all your data, make a sort of organized way to find patterns and look for the things that are interesting and that speaks to you and inspires you, or what you are getting curious about. And also look for lowest values, highest values, and yeah, searching for patterns and trying to understand it at a deeper level.
and then organized, uh, establish with categories do you find interesting. Yeah, here
Yeah,
are some examples, and yeah,
it's good to
place.
simplify the data and grouping it into larger categories. So the categories can make you help to communicate the story better.
That
Here
is
you see
another
an
example.
example of how Andy Kirk did it with some data about fishing.
Oh yeah, sorry. And lastly, but not least, a reminder, we told you already last week, start spotting locations that could be interesting to place at the end your need not only the place to build your physical data visualization, but also try to search for grids.
Yes.
Make pictures, please.
Yes, a lot of pictures, so we can all look at your surroundings. So we were all very curious, yeah, to get a little peek of your environment, and also search for patterns. And probably this is a suggestion: find grids, but there are probably many more other grids that you can find in your surroundings, which can help you to build a visual data visualization in public space.
And it will help you also as inspiration the coming days. Okay,
So I'm
thank
going to
you.
stop share screening and say good luck, and we talk to each other soon.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Ciao.